What's up, guys? And here we're checking in at SeaWorld Orlando to get some construction on not on Gracie. We were just there earlier at Busch Gardens, but now we're going to see Icebreaker to see all the new progress they have on it. So obviously right here is Manta, fantastic flyer, but let's just go inside and go see how good the progress is. We've definitely got lots of progress, as you can see right there. We got some track in that launch section, and we got this massive support right here. It's going to be for that vertical spike, that beyond vertical spike. Also got way down there some footers, some more track. This is looking to be very good. Definitely, this is like a great view right by the Shamu show up here at the very top. So review, definitely check it out if you have the time to come here. But this is a fantastic view. I think I found something right here. This looks like to be like you know, if like SeaWorld would post like a time lapse of the construction of it right here. I think this is the camera right here that they'll be using. So definitely like a fantastic view of it. So definitely a good shot to do it at.